Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and this video explains about 3 parts. Before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Tiffany Spardianti.
My name is Santika Febrianti.
My name is Tati Nurhayati.
The main reason I chose law at Cambridge is the flexibility.
I wanted a subject that was very current and sort to up to date with what was going on in the world right now.
I was able to study human rights law, which allowed me to look into very interesting topics such as immigration or the rights of religions.
The law course at Cambridge involves thinking about the law as it relates to individuals, the law as it relates to the state, and the law as it relates in between states.
Students are expected to think critically about the law as it is, to think about the theory, the economic and social implications of it, and also to look at real-life problems and apply the law to facts.
There is a real value to exploring this issue, which are of fundamental importance to society in such depth.
It's alive and vibrant and intellectually extremely interesting. So, the course at Cambridge gets a traditional academic law course study 4 subjects in their first year. That's Roman law, Charter, criminal law, and constitutional law. In their second year, they study land law and the law of contracts, and then 3 option subjects that they can choose from a legalist terms like administrative law, legal history, public international law, all sorts of things.
Having the freedom in second year to decide what you like and what you would like to study based on the foundation papers of the first year. It's a really great way to help you to shape your own degree and come out with something that's really suited to you.
The model of teaching is really divided into rigorous and supervision. Supervision are small group sessions, talking and interacting with their supervision.
It's really helpful for clarifying things you didn't understand.
Your voice is very much heard in the supervision session.
It's a very intense and very rewarding format, one that's were extremely fruits of and passionate about her in Cambridge.
All our lectures are held in the law faculty, an incredibly new and very modern building with a whole library.
We have a lot of online resources like Quizlaw and LexisNexis that allow you to find articles and cases that you need for your study.
I don't think I've ever struggled to find a book, whether that be online or a physical copy, and the librarians themselves are so helpful. In my spare time, I usually have a lot of time with friends. I often do a lot of sport.
I quite like to go to the theater.
I play netball and mixed hockey for my college. There is a lot going on, which is really fun.
Cambridge is absolutely committed to the widest possibility of access to the university and to study law here.
The interview is a really good experience. Just be really careful to think aloud about what it is you're being asked, so that the interviewers can follow your thought process.
Prospective applicants thinking of doing law at Cambridge could probably benefit from reading a decade newspaper.
Don't just write it. Think critically about it as why is the law involved here? Start to immerse yourself on legal idol, that's why.
a lot of our students will go into legal fields. They all become solicitors or barristers. Some others go into the civil service, or they work in the city in other area.
Some work for charities, some work as in-house lawyers in law firms or newspapers, some are parliamentary draftsmen, an array of different jobs. After I graduate, I plan to go into human rights law.
After graduation, I would like to become a commercial solicitor in a law firm in London, hopefully.
I am particularly interested in property law and looking at big infrastructure projects.
I think it's a degree that doesn't pigeonhole you into a career, but actually just opens up doors for you.